Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to get Google Gemini Advanced and free 2TB storage. So we will need to start by signing up for Google One. This service gives you access to enhanced Google features, including Gemini Advanced. Now once signed up, choose the 2TB storage plan to unlock additional benefits, and this plan comes with access to Gemini Advanced features. Now you can enjoy your 2TB of free storage, available for use with Google Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Use Google Gemini to enhance your productivity. And that's it. You may now enjoy your free storage and advanced features. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.